Okay.
Okay.
Well, good evening, everyone. We are about to start our Christmas cake.
I need some better intro.
Hey everyone, it's your girl Tori Aaliyah and I'm back with another video. So this will be Vlogmas Day 20 and today we're going to be making Christmas cakes like last year. So if you watched last year's vlog, I made it with my grandma, which I'll add that somewhere up here so you can go watch that video. And yeah, so my grandma's here, mom's in the back, and got some words?
Hey guys, good evening. Well, this is Tori's grandma, and we are about to do our Christmas cake. So, like all you viewers, to just watch and see what we're doing and enjoy. All right? Have a blessed evening.
Merry Christmas. When it comes. Yeah, let's get into it.
Okay, let's go.
All right. All right.
Right. We gonna start. Right. Not the flour, the sugar. Gonna start with the sugar, and you can do the Put egg in one different. Put egg in that. Put one.
This is you on Tori thing. You just stay here to watch.
Come on,
Listen, everybody, welcome.
We're
Alright.
sauteing
So what we doing now?
the butter.
Okay.
Let's start cream butter.
Okay.
Butter first.
So yeah, guys, usually we make the butter base first. You know, we add sugar and stuff along the way, but that's what we're doing. And then we also have the mix right here.
Like 4, 6.
Okay. And then you know we got the mix here. I'm gonna insert what we put in this mix because I did make a I did have like a video, so I'll insert that. But we'll get to that later.
They with the spoon.
Alright.
We're starting with our butter. We're gonna start creaming.
Alright. Alright, you guys, so we're gonna mix this up now, and then we've got the in here. Yeah, so like mommy said, it is like just sugar and butter, which is basically the base of the cake. I'm not a baker, but you know how cakes work.
We're not really bakers, but we're trying.
Yeah.
Trying our best to make it our Christmas cake.
Yep. So yeah, guys, we needed a larger bowl to mix everything in. So now we're just transferring the batter. Batter, that was the word. I kept saying base. Well, same difference, whatever.
Yeah, this is
But yeah.
Yeah.
Let me show you. So that's what we're doing.
It's pouring it into a bigger bowl.
Mm-hmm.
This one is kind of small. So you can't do everything in this small one, so I have to transfer to a big one.
Right. Oh. So what's next?
So next, you're gonna start making the eggs.
Okay.
The eggs.
Here, the eggs. How many eggs?
You can do how much is in this? You do a dozen, 12. Like 12 eggs to the amount of butter that you have.
Okay. So you have 12 eggs in the mixture, which is butter and sugar is what we're at so far.
Butter, sugar, and we're about to add the eggs. Yes, dear. Welcome to Auntie Donna program.
Yes. Miss Shirley.
Auntie
Auntie Shirley.
This is Auntie Shirley.
program.
Not Auntie
This is Auntie Shirley's program.
I want to cook one of this day.
We can never pay. We can never pay that. Me always money misplaced here. No, yeah. Alright, you guys. So.
Alright, we're gonna open the baking powder. Take 1 teaspoon.
How much
So one spoon.
Yes, at 12 eggs, right? Remember?
Yes, yeah.
tablespoon, right?
Mm-hmm. Fully.
All right, you guys. So my grandma just sieved the flour. So right now she's just adding all the seasonings to the flour.
Yeah, all the ingredients to the flour.
Yeah. What have you added so far?
We had the flour and the baking powder.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're about to add the cinnamon, ground cinnamon to it now. Yeah, and this is ground cinnamon, and this is allspice. So we're gonna add all of this to it.
Okay. And guys, we don't measure stuff here. We don't know the exact measurements.
So
we're just doing what we normally do. Judgment, like
our judgment.
Yeah.
So just folding everything together. We can smell the spice.
Mm-hmm.
Smelling all the spice, smelling so good.
Yeah.
So all these are the dry spice. Yeah. The mixture.
Alright guys, so we're just adding the eggs that I mentioned earlier. 12 eggs total. Right.
Now we're gonna add the flour mixture.
Yep, so now the flour, like that. And then we can, reuse the mixer again. So right now we have butter, sugar, egg, flour.
And all the mixture with
And
flour.
Yeah, and all the seasonings and stuff.
Spices.
All the spices.
Spices.
Not the seasoning, the spices.
Spices.
like the nutmeg and the cinnamon. All those are spices.
So,
All of
alright, so you guys, now that it's all blended, we're gonna go ahead and add the additional spices or flavors to it. So we have vanilla extract and the almond flavor. So just add in. And once again, we're not measuring because, yeah.
adding
This is how the one that we use look.
Benjamin rose water. We're about to add the browning. Yeah, this is the browning that give the cake the color. Okay, so. Okay, I don't want it too dark.
The most important part. The
Yep.
best part.
The best part. The best part.
I smell.
Smell amazing. Oh, come away.
All
Smells amazing.
right,
You think we need more rum?
it smells really.
So, we're wrong this. Where's that wrong? So we only put that amount of rum in
Oh boy, I know so the last time we made the cake, it will have enough rum.
Yeah, but technically at this
At
time
this amount.
we used last year.
The same amount? Like the
Probably
same amount?
Probably the years now.
So probably could you put a
little bit more.
A little bit more.
Just a little bit more.
Okay. So yes, guys. So this is the mix. I'll insert what we put in it, but basically it's raisins. We got the mixed fruits. We used the fruit cake mix by SR. We found this in Walmart, and it's, you know, everything together. We got the white rum,
White rum.
and then we use red wine. Some out into here. Oh, and you guys, we've been soaking this for what?
A week.
We soaked it for a week, yeah. We forgot.
Oh my god.
No, I know I run up today, Oh god. Corona really makes me forget coffee and peas. Okay. As we weren't recording, but anyways, this is the mixture like we usually go for consistency. So we're gonna pour this into the batter, and then we do have some left over, so we're gonna keep blending and adding to the mix and just mixing everything together, and you know, yeah.
Mm.
And then, you know, we added more of the raisins and mix, and then a little bit more browning for it to get its color. So now we're just mixing the rest, seeing if we need to add salt or anything.
Mix up cake mixture.
You say easy to mix now, that's enough if you use the mixer? Because the mixer can go all the way down, you know? Yeah guys, so quick quick consistency trick. Grandma, hold on, I'll show them.
Okay.
So yeah, if you put like the spoon in your batter, to know if like you have like the right consistency, you would just kind of stand the spoon up and see if it falls over. So you see it's going down. So we're gonna add a bit more flour to it without baking powder to get it a bit more, what's the word, firm? Okay, firm.
Yes, to make it more firm.
So yeah. All right, you guys, so we're all done with the mixture for the cake. So now we're gonna start putting them in, what are these? The containers to bake. We set the oven to 350, so that's the standard for baking it, and it's already preheated, so just gotta put them in. Usually what we do is we butter the pans and add a bit of flour, so we'll do that right now. Alright you guys, so this is how inside of it will look once you're baking.
Well, we're starting to fill up the containers now. So this is the stage of filling up the containers. So ready to go.
Just get to me, put it on there. Get it ready. This is it. I'll show you guys. It's the exact color you're looking so far. So this is one. We got 4 over here. But yeah, we make a lot though, because sometimes we give, you know, we give them to people. Yeah, to family, co-workers. Well, I don't, but I do. My mom, she gives them to like co-workers. Okay. Oh, making apple. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, give them to friends, family, co-workers, you know. And yeah, we do be eating them now. Like it lasts a while. It lasts till New Year's, but yeah.
RJ will be.
Yeah, and RJ, he does not play about these.
When it comes to cake, RJ doesn't play.
Yep. But alright, so once we're all done, I'll get back to you when we put them in the oven and then take them out so you can see how they look. Alright, you guys, so this is it. They're all done. We put them in there for it to, because the containers were so full, we left them in for about like 50 minutes. Right?
Yes.
Yeah. About that.
Right about that.
There's one left that couldn't fit, so it's in the oven now. But otherwise, it's all done, and this is how they turned out. I tried a piece of one, and it tastes so good.
Yes.
Yeah. Really good.
Yeah, it tastes good. Really good. So I think we did a good job.
Yep.
On these for this another year.
Yep. Another year. Yep. But yeah, so this is how it turned out. We're gonna go ahead and wrap the video up.
Yes.
Wish you guys a Merry
Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes.
Yep.
Bye.
And yeah. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks again for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell to know when I post. But I'll be posting until Christmas, so there'll be like what, 4 more videos to come. But yeah, so we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.